Right, elsewhere now, the Supreme Court has thrown out a petition challenging the decision by the Court of Appeal to lift an order by the High Court that had temporarily suspended the implementation of the Finance Act 2023. The Apex Court has ruled that the case that had been filed by Busia Senator, that's Okiya Omtatah, does not fall within its appellate jurisdiction. NTV's Vincent Odwor tells us more.
The ruling by the Apex Court is now a major win for the National Treasury, which had argued that the new tax measures in the Finance Act 2023 are intended to generate an extra 211 billion shillings in this financial year. However, it is a big blow to Kenyans who will continue bearing the burden of the new taxes. In its dismissal of the petition, the seven-judge bench argued that they were not convinced that the decision of the Court of Appeal had occasioned grave injustice to warrant invocation of its inherent jurisdiction, and ruled that the petition does not fall within its appellate jurisdiction. Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah, who, alongside three others, had challenged the lifting of the order suspending the implementation of the Act, says it's not yet over, as the case against the Finance Act is set to start next week.
So waliamua kesi kulingana technicalities, sio kulingana na uzito wa kesi. Lakini hata wenye wameamua tu mambo ya application. Hiyo ni kama vita kando, vita yenyewe inaanza Wednesday, na hapo ndio wanaume naenda kukutana, na mimi na hakika ya kwamba sioni vile nitashindwa hiyo kesi.
Among other new tax measures, the Finance Act 2023 doubled the value-added tax on fuel to 16% from 8% and introduced 1.5% housing levy, which is deducted from the gross pay of salaried workers. Workers earning between 500,000 shillings and 800,000 shillings are now paying as you earn at the rate of 32.5%, and those earning above 800,000 shillings at rate of 35%. Businesses are also paying a higher turnover tax after the Act raised the tax from 1% to 3%.
Ujai kusikia mtu amesimamisha Finance Act duniani? Ushaisikia popote? Analipopata hiyo, so walifanya hata jaji amefukuzwa kutoka Nairobi. Hii sasa ni siasa imeingia kwenye mahakama, sio kufuata ukweli, lakini hiyo hatutakubali ikite misisi.
The National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Njuguna Ndung'u in the appellate court had argued that the government was losing $500 million shillings daily due to the freeze. Vincent Odwor, NTV.